Do you speak English like this?
I like English. I practice daily. I want to improve.
Your English is correct, but it sounds broken. Today, you'll learn how to join these short sentences and speak smoothly, naturally, and confidently. In this lesson, I'll show you a simple speaking formula that instantly makes your English sound advanced. Listen carefully and repeat with me.
I like English. I practice daily. I want to improve.
Jack, your English is grammatically correct, but it sounds short and unfinished. It feels like your ideas are not connected. Now let me show you the upgrade. Sentence expansion formula. Main idea plus reason and extra detail. Short sentence. I like English. Natural sentence. I like English because it helps me communicate with people confidently. Short sentence. I practice every day. Natural sentence. I practice English every day so that I can improve my fluency. See the difference? Same idea, but now it sounds natural and fluent. Connector words. Because, so that, it helps me. Let's watch a conversation video. Why are you learning English, Jack?
I'm learning English because I want to communicate confidently.
How do you practice?
I practice every day by watching videos and speaking aloud, which helps me build fluency.
Perfect. That's natural English. Your task. Speak one long sentence using this formula. Long sentences don't mean difficult English. They mean clear ideas connected smoothly. In video 3, we'll fix the most common grammar mistakes that stop fluent speaking. Subscribe and practice daily.